Play this music for me, please. Good evening, all. Thank you very much. I appreciate your greetings. Good evening to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're watching from. No perfect man on earth. We are all walking towards perfection. No man will not get skeleton for inside comfort. The man said they never know about your own today. No me say they don't know. No, I'm not there. I'm your one at the sun. What are you doing? My precious people, my wonderful people of Edo, Benin, and the entire Nigerians all over the world. I appreciate some of us are already online with me. I appreciate those that will be watching later. I want to say thank you once again for your time and for all that you have done. I really want to appreciate you guys for taking your time to be with me this time. I think one thing I know that is most precious and difficult to give is time. So giving your time this hour as promised, I promise that I will be on live by 5 p.m. and exactly 5 people are already with me. Is a great thing. I really appreciate you guys. I really also want to plead with you again that we should allow some of us that are coming to join us to come before actually we take off this broadcast. And two, I want to appreciate those that said something about this very song I played is the same song I played the last time. I told you the other day that it's my new song and it's a song I promote for now. It's a song I let people know for now. And moreover, it's a message I got extraordinarily and I want it to pass. I want the message to be passed to the entire world, most especially to the Edo speaking language people. And therefore, I said this word and I want to repeat again. I uploaded the music to Apaka 99 TV, and it was also the permission was given to Edo to the world to upload as well. These two channels on YouTube, Apaka 99 TV. Just go there, you'll find Apaka 99 latest titled Akugbe. You'll find it in Apaka 99 TV, YouTube channel, and you also find it on Edo to the World YouTube channel. It's there. You can play, and I've given the permission because the type of song that it is, you can re-upload. You can use the song anywhere. No one will give you any copyright strike or whatsoever. It's a message I really want to go viral. It's a message I want every one of us to know about, and it's a message I want to sink into every one of us, because the best thing is to be together. It's a wonderful thing for brethren to be in unity. That's what I believe about life. Thank you very much. Please, like I told you, once again, I will play this music, and as soon as we're done with it, even if we are just two, we take off. The music is about 4 to 6 minutes. I'm not be able to give you the accurate time now. So once we are done, as many that are online with us, we take up the gist and be brief about it. Don't forget, the live broadcast is about our sister, our lovely one, Madam Orobosa Owe, popularly known as Apaka, and that sounds funny somehow, because many have been asking. I also said the other day, is she really your mother? Well, I said she's a colleague, but if you call her my mother, there's no problem, because she's a woman. All women are mothers, and all men are children, and also their husbands and fathers as well. God bless you. Let's play this music and enjoy it together once again. They said when music is sweet, you play twice. Thank you. Let's listen together. You know the hour. You know the hour. You know the hour. And yet, you know the Please help me share the broadcast. Help me share. Let's discuss together. No perfect man on earth ever walk into a profession. No man will not get skeleton for inside nobody. If I say they never know about your own today, not me say they don't know tomorrow. No, I'm Edunuzomo. Yewa maze wa wata wi. Wa ya wa beri on wa bifwe. Wa bivi nege kai. Akuka kunu wariri ya ye muhu tagmo. I mean, the only one I want to marry Apaka. Let me use that word only. Let me call only that name because he had here Maya and Nagugwa. Today, I'm sorry, the information I want to give you may not be that positive. But we all need to hear it because we have contributed in one way or the other. So, she's not dying, but it is not positive. What I want to give you today, the message about her is somehow negative. And we need to pray that Imarokpa ni mae we sasan woto. Esi ni mau onwanawe na no setting mudia yagmo. No setting kmome. Unda onwanawe si na ma setting mudia no kmome. Esi ni odo ae sasan woto. So that is what we are going to pray for. 3 things I want to do majorly. Please share this video. It's very, very important that you share. Because if we had shared this video If we have shared the other live video I did the other day successfully enough, maybe this other part would not have rise to this extent. Okay, in my information, most especially those that are concerned about this matter. One where did you no reading anywhere or no hand? What here? What again? What am I again? My say again my work ya gwan kamera again is saying no me am agaro na je in my yata ba na bibia Euroma na bibia pa Euroma. I mean na do me na ehene den wa we se salo body ba wa ya fe. Imi ha e kan agwan kan imi ha ni I will say this in English. Number one, I will once again give you all thanks. Number two, I will give you information about her. And number three, I will give a great advice and pleading again. Those are the three things I want to talk about today. And more so, in case you are watching live now, you are just joining or you will join later, the matter is update about our sister, Madam Orobosa Owe, popularly known as Apaka. And secondly, I want to quickly say this. The other day, I told you that this music I am playing, or I played the other day, if you are interested, you like it, I told you inbox me. But many did, and I couldn't actually follow them up. But because of this, I link my WhatsApp. Because of this Apaka matter, I link my WhatsApp to my Facebook. I never wanted to do that because of security purpose. But I have given myself this assignment and I have to finish up. So, you can, if you want it directly, you might want to YouTube. My WhatsApp number is connected to my Facebook, this Facebook page. But I can also give you the number right now. Just WhatsApp me. I will send it directly to you. You want to be playing it maybe on MP3, anywhere. I will send it to you. I won't be selfish with the song at all. It's free for everybody. Even if you want to re-upload it to your YouTube, I'm not against it. You want to upload it to your Facebook page, anywhere, I'm not against it. Nobody will give you copyright strike. Use the music for anything you want to use it for. I'm the copyright owner and I'm the one telling you to do whatsoever you want to do with the music. That's for that. So my WhatsApp number is 080-9893-1730. If you are watching live or if you jam this live broadcast when I finish, or if it is saved on Facebook, you jam this message, just hit me on that WhatsApp number 080-9893-1730. Message me. And outside the music matter, you want to know anything about Apaka, I prefer you ask me because I know the in and out. Many of the results are with me. Everything that concerns her, I gave myself this assignment. So I will give you straight answer. Please, it is very, very good that you ask me. That is my WhatsApp number. Once again, for the last time, 080-9893-1730. Ask me questions about her and I will inform you. Why I'm here today is that I have given you my word that I will always come out to give you information, updates about our sister, Madam Orobusa Owe, popularly known as Apaka. And today I'm here, like I said earlier, that the message I'm to give is not that positive anyway. First, I told you I want to do three things, and the first one is what I want to do now. I want to give thanks once again to everyone that have contributed their quota in one way or the other. I say a very, very big thank you. If you send money to her, uri go girl, usuya no neru neve de agbe working o, neme no ye ero unda ewe ne kwemila obeti odiva. Ewa so kwemila kan ni robo no babeti ego lobo na de iyobo ya hin. No same no wanwon iyobo oye. No we dey right no one iyobo oye. So iyobo ma ya fe ye. Me no we to tana. Iyobo ye. So wa here wa wese. Esin wa maewu oye se. Unda edo we ae dogo wan. Osalo bo amon la ho. Wa ga gwa lorun opa uhi mudia. Then wa gwa le yobo. Right then wa gwa le wan wa kan ya o. Even Kevin wariri ari boy fefefe toga di no denu wa zevin wa ya ka we okuna toga mi hu ijare e oga yore ke no riwo yo ke no e telephone ya tie we bo ye he o ke no we ba kan ibi kan ya na o ke no we argue there o unda ma ni bu we argue there ni ma be lele wa here wa we se e si no kwa e wa o won no we wa ma we se o wa ma ni ta. Then also I said the other day, you have rights over anything you want to do. If you ask questions, you want to know how far she's going, whether you contributed or not. So long you have seen the matter, you are concerned at all, you have the right to ask, and nobody have the right to question you. And also, if you even say you have not done anything at all, you just want to ask, you want to know, yes, you have the right. Abo we do we Nigeria we kine o wana gbo no ho ni maya we mo ana una sin wa we se e si e do pon why. I am thanking you all on behalf of Orobosa Owe Apaka. Right away, that is the first segment. The second one is the information that I said I want to give, which I said is not positive as far as I'm concerned. Share this video, let everyone hear what I want to say. Wala ho wo itemo baba na we ni ma we sasan woto o wana we se na no makpo me omu ya no omu ken no ugbo wa yese e do ti won video so pa ave ezi egbe na ya be ni no ya be ugbo so emeraro o wana teri ase odori aberundu nyiwe rundi balegbe no lele idi abe e odo akeikian o ga ye video ndo na kana kaka boy mi anala wowo wa down yo me se e de no gbera ina tie ina do tamu wa we gimi so ni wa wo na we mi ya paka na wo gije ina tamu wa ma kaka body abe kati me Christy ijesu obo ma ivani oye wa no kaka body igbe yo zewo wa no we kini ma ete wa ni ke ma be igbe yo ya we ge ma kuda o ni ke na be we ibu we zero. So the information I said I want to give, iga ho bini watu tana certain term ne won say supa iyo ni mo wa ni ria a group raw no high we Edo Artists Association ya can sue ya for trying to defraud our people. That the association collected money on behalf of Apaka and they never did what they were supposed to do. Even after the live video I did. So I've explained to people that this is the situation that we are. So they made that threat. So I have to quickly come up now to tell you, you should watch very well. I said it's Yobo. Or Siobo Umoyoi. Before you go to any length to take any action, try to verify or try to trace the roots. Orobosa Owe came out online as an individual, as an artist. It wasn't the association that came out. It wasn't the president that came out. And as I speak, the president of the association don't know whatever has entered into the pocket of Apaka. But I don't know why all this verification is going on. Because I came out the other day to try to say, you know, I try to make them understand that association has signed where Christy traveled back to where she is now. I voluntarily gave out myself that I want to do this thing because of the love I have for the woman and because she's my colleague. And apart from being a colleague, I don't want to say Abun or Ten Abun or Sazewo. Is a woman we are very, very much together, just like Christy is to me. So I've assigned myself to make sure that I see the end of this whole matter. Wala wo wa yoni ya he bini wa ye oni wo. The second one is that the last day I told you, the step we have gotten to is that they said until her BP come down, there is no doctor in the entire world that will do a surgery for anybody. Good. Based on when my can say, Ioma no gwa me camera little one, osalo boa happy man. And then the man did that MRI, that picture we were begging in. That machine we are begging, once you take any camera close to it, that's why you see those pictures and the video were very far. It will erase the memory. Everything about the camera will not be there again. That's what we were told. Christina Riumodiana snapping man. Now we recorded about a minute of that thing. That is the reason why you saw that picture I told him Meya posting now. Imagine they had your partner in my picture, do where Yahweh big Yabu and Edo. Me man like video record the little that she did. Then too, the same association were angry with this woman because for months and years we didn't see her. Area meeting. It is on this ground where she was not associating with anybody anymore. So it can win home, association now. If not, ordinarily, the platform of the association all come well there. That is that. But we are all human beings, error. I still want to plead again that not informing you on time that you thought that this woman was inside was our fault. And I've came out the first time to tell you that this woman is not inside sleeping. The picture you saw, that MRI I told you about, she was told, and then on that massacre and our testing, it was done in Lily Hospital with Boundary Road because UBTH, a time near April, so now the doctor now tell us that no problem. He told us that we can go outside and do it. One of the best places they told us in Benin and did that MRI. At the end of the day, when we got there, they told this woman that so that they will be able to see her after our many testing. The only thing she ate in the morning was Oriakasa onwame Ota, that is all, for 2 days. The third day, we went with her in the morning. When we get to that machine, when she saw it, she was crying. We pleaded with her. We were almost crying. People that own the machine didn't collect money from us at the beginning. They said, let her go first. Because even the professor that referred people to this machine, the machine that is caring. So when we get there, actually, the woman was actually speaking that language. We pleaded with her, we were there. She was afraid. Though that third day, the third day, she was asked not to eat. We're supposed to do it in the morning and return back. And then the first person, she now finally got the courage to enter. That woman entered that machine at about 12:01 and came out at about 6 in the evening. We sent her. She cried, she screamed. She cannot bear it anymore. We pleaded with her, another way, we one or two things, until she was true. Osaluba was there, or Osaluba were also Wanima. I just told her, this is the third day. That's how we got there. And on the idea of what Wamana admitted, after series of tests, this week, Thursday, we have gone to the hospital more than 3 times. After a series of tests. My dear people of the world, what I have come to tell you, the major information I'm telling you now is that from that day up till now, they call her day in, day out. you've taken our money. I was there. I was called one day. She told me that is better for me. I pleaded with her. This is the person we want to bring her BP down, for God's sake. This is the person we are trying to bring her BP down. So I pleaded. I was there again. Somebody called. Is there in your one? It's an international number. People of God, I have so many numbers that I stopped there that I was supposed to come here. He had the numbers in the were giving them 1 hour ago. But it will be risky because if anything happened to them, it will be on me. Secondly, if not a young where Mina or Manara Wowa, Mayana Wowa, Amami will not do it. That will do a rig belly. Imanadu Atari, one way, Nana, if not happy Yamaway. Imaya need you bonnet to a few way, wagging or quicker. But Umesuana me where woman women, a do where no more women do a damn door. Any medoing and allow. Why is there one lady, whatever? Is there in here? Well, one OG. I even wow, Eddie. On Marikwe, I know you, Tamana, where on my well, who not allow. When Nerun, where Yapaka, we're not one of handy you born away. Where I'm moving, near one of Sabaka, not you born away. Ya, you know, how we say on a phone. I believe that if you are giving help, your one has seen He made so many videos online. I saw a woman that was lamenting that she and her husband did his help. You have not done wrong. You have not done wrong at all. You know. But I've come to say sorry for whatever has happened because someone if we are the board where woman will be married, what's it? Oh, you while the 3 months, the 4th month, all that you you were right when you were going to do me my work. You have not seen her anywhere. We talk about that. No, she's not like that. That thing you saw, we took her to one place. None of test. We don't hold it. My harder that to why and these medical people they have the sense of telling you where because they believe that they know what they have done. Don't worry, take her home. She's okay. We will now question her. Or where they test in our abortion for what they were choking into her body. But this same person, a boy anyway, you will get. A boy anyway, I expect no time on you don't know what she's passing through. I've come again to inform you, please, we are not sleeping. Well, after she cried, this Monday when I was in the hospital, came to me quietly. Daddy, you know, give my one private hospital. I know where a war or I told her, my dear, the private hospital, ma, we analyze all these things before we finally decide to come to UBTH. So, ma take a private hospital. But no matter how good the private hospital is, here I mistaken, they now write a letter and I will refer to UBTH. So somebody will ask, why don't you start from that UBTH at first? So that's why we are there. They are there more than us as well. I was touched. And I tried to hasten the doctors we met. You know what the person told me? Or where if the condition is critical, there's no problem. I will tell you they will admit her in the emergency departments. So I said, God forbid. Because someone or emergency department, you be BP, a week where they are. Okay, I came once about so room high share. And that a boy so room then or beg but my boy bag one share. I'm not going to wear it. She can't stand it. I just said, no problem. It's just that the whole world is on this matter. I just want it to be done on time. They said they don't. Sorry for that disconnection. So that's how it was. So they advised me. On Monday, we were at the hospital. Tuesday, we were there in UBTH. And on Wednesday, we were there as well. Somebody also gave advice. If you marry the area, any life there, my man boy there, on a operation where do Benin City. Yet in try. He said in try, I won't do that. Please bear with me. If you don't even why do, no wa share video na. If no really a phone, ti o ko ni ti e oyi. No ma gbe when you stop. If not, I will seize her phone, off it, and that phone will be with me. I will persist. I will take her because by the grace of God, I have never fought unfinished battle. It just is created along with me is my gift. I'll start and make sure it ends well. By the grace of God, it's not by my power. Or persist. I will take her to a place where an apartment where she will be on one of my chair until this thing is done. That's what I've told myself. What I've come to say, the negative information I said I've come to tell you is this. Wala iwano ntio ko ni tie oji tamae we orin ego omo ya we na tamae. Wagunwe yin mi a wala wo wa share video na. Owe ni ala o e oji tote egbo wa mu egbo na la jan na to so adoneti go ni e. Ave lo bono pare okwo na no wari wo na na do bo we na fu. Iwo no wari na ke. Ona go alu e. Will you feel bad? Igbo uri 2 million no ya we na not only 1.8 200,000 okay ona ya duk mo yegbe. Will you feel bad? You'll be happy that you are one of those that made this woman to be alive and even look good today. That's the way I see life. So please help me plead with our people that they should bear with us. We are very, very much on this preparation. By the grace of God, she will be okay. But right now, I cannot assure you that that BP is okay. It's shooting up on a daily basis. I have to get a pastor to counsel her on a daily basis. I have to get extra doctor. No, I check that BP for 3 times a week outside the hospital we are running. And but though that's a secret, so that those people will not feel bad. Where always my okay. But the truth is this. Oman we say na treat ana eme wo ma fe the one who tie on who gugui uri wo na udo ti o we iwo ni mari no ni edori ni ma o iwe ma de lo say no oh we ni me waje na ya lele kan ido we iwo ni ari no wa ga lo ga gwale ki no na ho. God forbid. I'm not wired like that. I don't value money. Eti we ma wa ka bo ma bo me ma ka bo di value na we because ikabo mo salobwa to the best of my knowledge. Wala wo ni wa wala wagima ya bibi pa Roma. Na la ho wagima advice. If you want to do any video concerning this, you can do. If you want to share this one, I am pleading. Stop calling the woman a thief and stop calling her for the purpose of Urimaro Umayao Emnawenu. Please. Most of you know my phone over here. Oh, we are receiving a call. On a quick tonse. Wala wo. This thing is very, very hot. I know how hot but I cannot mention anybody's name and I cannot, mention anybody's number. Wala, if you want to know anything, the progress of Apaka, WhatsApp me, ask me, send a voice message to me. I will send a voice message back to you. Please, everything will surely be okay at the end of the day. And the end of the tunnel, surely there will be light. Wala wo wagimaya kukube. Nagba wo na na mi ori lajan no mi mak mo me. En wa we ge na anyone. Man say UBT shede Monday. You hear the go with POS. The girl no the go lajan with POS. Ona go ko na pe. You hear the go ni lajan eh. Or when you say charges here, they left. I went back to her. I was touched. Did you know her or when I saw her on Facebook? I felt this. She just contributed her whole quota by this little that she have. My dear brothers and sisters, what I am doing, I also gave myself to do this. I'll leave my business and take her to anywhere she wants to go. Is my own contribution as well. The way you contributed your own, we know where we policy, maybe policy, maybe take care. We know when you While I have not come to accuse anybody, I have come to say thank you. I have come to also plead. She have not steal from anybody. She have not collected your money to insult anybody. She have not collected your money to dupe anybody. She did because she had problem. And more so, if anybody have any help to give you, this time around, don't even accept them. Don't even accept anybody that is coming to you because of your twagbe. I don't really know what we do. Because there are some myths, there are some things I said I don't want to talk about. All the tests we have done, call Chrissy anywhere she is. Oko no wa moja under 5 minutes so hours on agwo. We pleaded with all the people not release the results. Don't let this woman know what is in her. Because we know the situation of her BP. Why this same woman, she's hurt every day by those, some of those that did favor for her. Let your favor be favor and don't let it be fire against her. Please, I've come to plead with everybody. You have your rights. Nobody is against you. Oh, I tell you, phone man, money phone. You have right to do anything with your phone. But the next person you are talking to, you don't know how hot you are to that person. Let's be mindful of what we are doing to our neighbor. You have done her a great help, and I plead, this is the last session of this live that I want to do. I told you I will give you the information. I will thank you. I will give you the information. The last, I will advise, and I will also appreciate you. I'm advising, please, everyone, if you can do life on this, tell people to stop calling her. Tell people to stop calling her a thief. Tell people to wait. Let her be. She will surely come out by the grace of God at the end to thank everybody once. But generally, she can come out and do a general thank you to everybody, because when she was coming out to ask, she didn't call anybody. She came out generally, and everybody donated to her generally. And I believe that she will come out at the end of the day. I will be coming out with her by the grace of God. I pray. At the end of the day, we will thank God. But the situation that we are now, I just pray that her BP come down on a daily basis. Or the BP when so 230. Then I said, what's here now? Where will you be working? So we were trying to do, they said we should go and do chest tests, chest history, because of cholesterol. Maybe no day by when the BP. The BP matter is just too much. And this is what must come down before she will be operated on. So whatever we can do, any information that I have, I don't give to her. Because why? Anything you remember at all, anytime, all the time. Please, if you have access to her, that is the only thing you should do. Tell her that God will do it. Tell her, oh, I tell you, categorically, between God and man. Yesterday, somebody walked into my office again and asked me, this social person like this gives also a month like this to Apaka. And I replied, between God and man, even on Apaka, I go not in mind. I said the money can be sent. I don't touch that money. I don't want to be involved about anything financially about that thing. I only assign myself for any appointment. I know they have the money. Whenever they ask for money, I tell them to pay. That's the only thing I do. Please, let us all follow it like that. And by the grace of God, God will bless us all in return for the good we have done. Edowa ni kana ededao edisino. I tell you by the grace of God, when I'm coming again, I believe I'll be giving you a positive result. And I will believe that we all will be thanking God together by the grace of the Almighty God. Mayana I think ukube zevini ya dibude yemena. Always say zevini kata inimo nofe igbenoma ya ne wanibuen ye Apaka 99. Always so salubade bawa mabe mebwe dowe. Wakakaboga video down that is very, very important. Share this video after we save it, so that all those that still have plans to do worse, many of them still have plans to do worse than what has happened, because everybody follow the same line. Please beg them for me that everything will be okay. She will come out and thank everybody at the same time, if God do us well. The other way, we also thank God. But please, let's pray for the positive side. You and me, whatever we do at the end of the day, Apaka 99 TV with YouTube, or do to the world with YouTube. And more so, if you need the song directly on your phone, WhatsApp me on 08098931730. I will send the song to you. I'm not selfish with it. It's a message I want to go viral. I will see you all the time.